In this video, we will show you how to reconcile using Solver in Excel. Click the Data tab and click the Solver button. If you don't have this button, go to File, select Options, select Add-ins, and select Solver. If you have a Mac, click Tools, select Excel Add-ins, select Solver Add-in, and click OK. We have a list of debits and credits that we want to match. Let's say we received a payment of 100. If we add the amounts of invoice number 1 and number 4, we get a total of 100. Now let's match the next credit using Solver. Enter the amount to reconcile. In the cell next to total, type an equal sign, type sum product, type an open parenthesis, select the debits, type a comma, select the cells next to the debits, type a close parenthesis, and press Enter. For the difference, type an equal sign, select the amount to reconcile, type a minus sign, select the total, and press Enter. Type a 0 next to the debits. For the total found cells, type an equal sign, select the debit, type an asterisk, select the 0 next to the debit, and press Enter. Copy the formula, click the Solver button. In the Set Objective box, select the cell with the difference. Select Value of and enter a 0. In the By Changing Variable Cells box, select the cells next to the debits. You can select up to 200 variables. Add a constraint. Select the cells next to the debits. Select Binary from the drop-down list and click OK. A binary constraint means that the variable can only be a 0 or a 1. Select Simplex LP as a solving method and click Solve. Click OK. The debits that have a 1 as a result were used for reconciliation. When we add these two amounts, it equals to the total amount of the credit. The result should equal to a 0 or 1. If it is not, you might want to click the Options button and make sure that the Ignore Integer Constraints box is unchecked, and click OK. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.